Here we are at Mud Gap Trailhead, Cherahola Skyway. And we're hiking to Whigg Meadow. Should be fun. Yeah, look what's in bloom this time of year. Angelica. And more water on the trail. I think I've hiked beside the trail more than I've hiked on it. But it's all good. Too much longer now. September the 1st, by the end of the month, we'll start seeing a lot of color. Finally, some dry trail. We got some goldenrod blooming. The story behind the angelica is supposedly bees that drink the nectar get a little tipsy. Who knows? They do seem to stick around there a lot. This is what I like to see. Some fresh snacks right beside the trail. Drunk bees. I believe this trail's about a mile and a half or so to the Whigg Meadow. We'll see. In about 3/4 of a mile. Snake roots everywhere. And what do we have hiding under here? Looks like some rain-soaked orange, yellow jewelweed, and one of those aster flowers. Fall aster, maybe. I don't know. I can't ever remember the name. And more colorful leaves. Such a nice little sound. I believe we're at an elevation around 5,000 feet, 4,500, 5,000. Using my cell phone today. Well, would you look at that? Still a little bit of bee balm left. It's getting fairly sparse though. There's a couple back there. Such a contrast to all this green. You can get glimpses of the valley across there, but the foliage is still too thick to see anything. I imagine in the winter there'd be a good view across there. These buckeye trees picking up a little color. You can tell it's a buckeye from the 5 leaves together like that. Maybe some shiny quartz there. Lots of blackberry bushes around here, but looks like the berries are gone. I found a few. Maybe there'll be some blueberries in the meadow. I always found it interesting that this grass grows in the middle of the woods. I don't know what it is, but I have seen it growing up in the higher elevations a lot. Now I found some heel-all. This grows quite a bit. I think it's in the mint family. Don't think it has a smell though. Nah. You gotta love a backlit leaf and some color. That looks like more buckeye leaves, I believe. That means there must be some buckeyes around here somewhere. And I believe we're here at the meadow. It's just around the corner here. And here we are at the meadow, and there's trucks on the top. Kind of interesting. Yeah, it looked like somebody pulled a trailer up back there in the parking lot. And it's a beautiful day here on Whigg Meadow. There's hardly even any clouds. You know, we talk about pollution of our waterways all the time, and pollution of streams and rivers, but nobody talks much about noise pollution. Always the sound of an engine, gasoline powered combustion engine. Disturbing you. It looks like some high bush blueberries over there. And I hear some weed whackers. These are odd looking things. Not sure what they are. When the seeds get ripe on this angelica, they turn purple. Those clouds, mist, fog rolled in. Now it's very dark in the woods. Aha, here's some more back here. Little salamander in the water. Back to the river trail. Well, that's the only one of those I've seen. Perhaps that marks the Benton Mackay Trail. I haven't noticed any before. I'll look about halfway back. These rocks are so slippery. Guess I was wrong. There's another one. And we've got more berries. I'll be happy to take them. Here we go. Thought these were blueberries, but I believe these are some kind of huckleberries. Now that's a strange looking plant. And this is false Solomon seal. The flowers are at the end. Solomon seal has flowers and fruit along the stem. Yep, I was definitely wrong. Colorful berries. I think maybe dog hobble. The leaves are beautiful in the fall. I don't know if I've ever seen the berries. Well, that's a wrap. That's the end of the trail. Only a 4-spot parking lot. I guess that's because everybody else drives back down that forest road to the bald. But hey, I'm not everybody. Mud Gap Trailhead. So we're going to the second bald, Huckleberry Knob. 5,500 feet. Yeah, I can feel the coolness in the air. We're probably 800, 1,000 feet higher than we were over at Whigg. Lots of snake root. Angelica. Goldenrod. Yeah, let's see what else we got. Some bee balm, it's almost gone. Going over the top of another huckleberry. Yeah, some bee balm going over the top of an some buckeye there. Looks like we're already getting to a break in the trees up there. Only gone about a quarter mile. Must be Huckleberry Knob up there. And I don't hear any dueling weed whackers, but I can still hear the motorcycles over on the Skyway. And look at here, we've got a whole group of hill all and a beautiful moth up here. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at the colors on that thing. More good stuff here. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but it says December 11th, 1899. Andy Sherman. Looks like they were intoxicated and frozen. Probably the only dry place here. That's it. See you later, Huckleberry Knob. More of that grass.